The future of online business is already here, and it's powered by AI. Starting a business in 2025 presents a unique opportunity, one shaped by powerful tools that are changing how we approach entrepreneurship. The truth is, in this new era, building a profitable online business no longer requires extensive capital or a big team. With the rise of artificial intelligence, entrepreneurs can now tap into tools that automate processes, enhance creativity, and streamline operations, all without needing a deep technical background or an expansive budget. Gone are the days when building a website, creating compelling content, or managing complex workflows required hiring a team of specialists. Today, AI-powered tools offer everything you need to start, grow, and scale a business right at your fingertips. These tools empower entrepreneurs to save time, reduce costs, and maximize efficiency, all while maintaining a high level of professionalism. In this video, we will explore the essential AI tools that every budding online entrepreneur should consider using in 2025, from website creation and content generation to automated admin tasks and AI-driven marketing strategies. These tools will help you start a business with minimal effort and resources. So, let's dive into the tools that will change how you approach business in 2025. First, let's talk about building your website and brand in minutes. The foundation of any successful online business is a well-designed professional website. But designing a website from scratch, complete with your brand logo, business copy, and integrated systems, can often be a time-consuming and expensive task. For many entrepreneurs, this step alone can delay their business launch for weeks or even months. Fortunately, with the help of Durable.co, building a website and brand has never been easier or faster. Durable.co is a no-code platform that allows you to create a fully functional website in just a few minutes. By simply inputting a few details, the tool automatically generates a website, logo, copy, and even a business name tailored to your brand. What's even better is that it includes built-in systems like a customer relationship management tool, contact forms, and a booking system. This means you can get your website up and running with all the essential components needed to run your business, without the need for a developer or designer. For example, if you're a coach or consultant, you can instantly set up a professional website with all the necessary booking and contact features to start booking clients right away. Durable.co takes the stress out of website creation and brand development, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. Whether you're launching a side hustle or a full-fledged online enterprise, this tool will save you significant time and money. With this tool, you are empowered to bypass traditional website development methods and move straight into action. It's an invaluable resource for anyone serious about launching a business in 2025 without the complexity of coding or hiring. Moving on, let's discuss how to create all your copy with AI. Once your website is live, the next crucial step is to fill it with compelling content that will engage and convert visitors into customers. Writing this content, whether it's for your homepage, product descriptions, blog posts, or email funnels, can be one of the most challenging and time-consuming parts of building a business. The process of crafting copy that resonates with your audience while being optimized for search engines can feel overwhelming. Fortunately, AI tools like Anyword and Copy.ai make this task much easier. Anyword and Copy.ai are AI-powered platforms designed to help you create high-converting copy in a fraction of the time it would take to write it manually. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a complete beginner, these AI tools provide a straightforward solution to generating effective content without the need for extensive writing experience or time investment. With Anyword and Copy.ai, you can ensure that your business copy speaks to your audience, drives conversions, and optimizes SEO, all automatically, saving you time and effort. Now that your content is ready, let's explore how to produce video content. Fast in today's digital world, Video content is crucial for building trust and engagement with your audience. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok thrive on video, and businesses that can effectively use this medium have a competitive edge. However, producing high-quality video content can be time-consuming, especially when it comes to editing and creating polished, engaging videos. Enter Runway AI and Pictory, two powerful AI tools that make video production faster and more accessible. Both Runway AI and Pictory allow you to transform existing content, whether blog posts, scripts, or social media captions, into engaging video formats. These tools are perfect for anyone who wants to create short-form videos for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. They also make it easy to produce product demos, explainer videos, and tutorials in no time. In today's competitive online landscape, building a connection with your audience quickly is essential, and video is the most effective way to do that. With tools like Runway AI and Pictory, you can quickly create engaging video content that drives traffic, builds trust, and increases conversions without the need for expensive video production teams. Next, let's move on to how AI can handle your admin and research tasks. Managing the day-to-day operations of a business can be overwhelming. From handling emails to conducting market research and writing standard operating procedures, SOPs, there's always something that needs your attention. Fortunately, AI tools like Custom GPTs and AutoGPT can handle these administrative tasks, freeing up your time to focus on what really matters: growing your business. Custom GPTs and AutoGPT are advanced AI agents that can perform a wide range of tasks, including writing SOPs, generating business plans, researching suppliers, and even managing customer communications. These tools can be customized to meet the specific needs of your business, allowing them to automate repetitive tasks and streamline your operations. For instance, I used AutoGPT to generate an entire customer onboarding script, create a refund policy, and outline a detailed email course, all in a matter of minutes. The tool did all of this based on the simple instructions I provided, which saved me hours of work. Similarly, custom GPTs can be used to automate the creation of content, research competitors, and perform other essential administrative tasks, all while maintaining a high level of quality. By using AI to handle these administrative tasks, you can save time, reduce the risk of human error, and ensure that your business runs smoothly without overwhelming yourself with the small details. Let's now shift focus to AI-powered marketing and outreach. Now that you have a website, content, and automated systems in place, the next step is to reach out to your target audience. Marketing and outreach can often feel like a never-ending challenge, especially for entrepreneurs working with limited resources. These platforms ensure that your social media profiles are consistently active and engaging without requiring hours of manual posting. They optimize your posts for engagement, analyze performance, and help you refine your strategy over time. With these tools, you can ensure that your brand remains visible and professional across multiple platforms without experiencing burnout. Together, these AI tools make it easier than ever to reach your audience, automate your outreach efforts, and stay top of mind, all while conserving time and energy. As we approach the end, let's discuss how to automate your workflows with Zapier AI. To further optimize your business operations, consider using Zapier AI to automate your workflows. This tool connects your favorite apps and platforms to create seamless workflows that save you time and reduce the chances of errors. For example, you can set up a workflow where, when someone fills out a form on your website, they automatically receive a thank you email, and the lead is added to your CRM, with a Slack alert notifying you of the new entry. As we've seen throughout this video, AI tools are revolutionizing the way online businesses are launched and operated in 2025. These tools help you build a professional website, create high-quality content, automate administrative tasks, and handle your marketing efforts, all without requiring a massive budget or technical expertise. The future of entrepreneurship is here, and it's powered by AI. The question now is, how will you leverage these tools to transform your business? Are you ready to embrace the AI-driven future of online business? The tools are available, and they're more accessible than ever. So, what's holding you back? Which of these AI tools are you most excited to implement in your business? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI and quantum revolution, hit that like button and subscribe, because the next breakthrough is happening right now.